train and they're going insanely fast.
Approaching Victor's time.
Whenever you're done.
Oh crap! No, switch back.
No, it's fine.
Prepare your anus.
Damn it, I'm
okay,
missing.
Well, this is gonna be good.
Get away from the switch. Destroy the switch.
Get away. Oh, well, okay. Frisco, you might wanna...
Oh no, there's like a one.
Driver.
Oh, hi.
Throttle. We're gonna shove these kids with speed really in.
Watch this.
Colin.
Look at that shit. You're damn close to doing it.
What the fuck? We're just sitting here watching
so much for the fucking 40.
I know exactly where to lure it. With no fucking... Take me on! Ripped truck. God damn it! Not again. You saw nothing! I don't think anyone's gonna switch that switch in that direction until the map gets cleaned up next. So, yeah, I think it's okay. There. Go. No, I didn't catch on camera! Don't worry. Oh, god damn it.
Never mind. I'm going 150. Shaped, if you want to live, I'm on the middle track. You gotta go faster than 150.
Challenge accepted. Okay.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Pick up the pace. I'm
As soon as I let it go, I'm going. Well, it appears that you can have fun.
Center track is for express trains and non-stopping services, which we are. So if you're on the center track, prepare to die.
We don't have brakes on this.
We do have brakes, but let's just say they're very ineffective.
We have to slow down.
This train is so fast I literally can't react in time to apply them, so yeah. Bye!
How are you doing?
What just happened?
That just felt like something out of Looney Tunes.
What just happened?
It's gone.
Did that just happen?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's your fault, too.
I got it on camera.
Oh my god! No, it's actually a slip coat. That's why you didn't get. You better put that on.
Like I said, it's a slip.
A once in a lifetime thing that just happened.
Let's go!
You can see it just struggled to make it up to grade.
Okay, let's do it.
This will not end well.
Back now.
I'm getting through the bouncing coaches right now.
How? How do they make it around that turn? Oh no, we're going over 90.
This right now. This is insane.
Prepare your face! Ooh, let's play a game where people have to like switch the switches correctly around their trains. So I don't have
10
to.
minutes to come up with
Wait, maybe you shouldn't play that because Thomas and Friends music gets copyright stricken. So, here. Let's listen to this alternative music.
you guys are on the express track and you are gonna ram into the back.
Okay.
Let's do that.
Wait, into you? You should move. Can you switch us onto the express track?
I have stopped it. Can't play.
Have you ever seen something faster?
Oh, here we go. Hi and bye.
Stop the train! Stop the train! Stop the train!
Oh god, look at the cartoons! Actually,
Oh no! Oh, oh.
this is a terrible idea. That was a miracle. Secretly a miracle.
It will only be. You are only safe for so long.
My thing is a you guys.
You know what we should call this? The Retard Sodor. Because apparently we don't know what we're doing. The Retard Sodor. They're in a train and they're going insanely fast.
Oh crap! No, switch back. Prepare your anus. Just tear your train off the tracks and then re-rail it so we can come through. Yay, again! Okay, I'll move on to another track. Do it again!
No, I just got spit all over my monitor and my microphone.
Here, I'll do my best. Except this isn't my own voice. Watch. That's courtesy of what I call the no pen. What?
You know that it's fear that was flying around?
Why is this?
That was me!
Why does the... Why does the train have eyebrows? Why is it
This is
making
what you call
demonic
Angry
growling
Jack.
noises?
It's
I wanna hear
Angry
that
Jack.
ear button.
He's actually a face train. He's a face train.
What is this? I can't hear it.
Angry Jack.
That great big
Oh,
rolling barrel
I
slowed
want an
down a
only
lot.
face train.
How did the server not?
It's the evil train.
Oh no, is it did?
Ah, found the screen finally.
Come on, go move fast.
No, it's not moving. It's still on. Yeah, he's still in the shop. Just as a test run.
What's that really low pitched song I hear?
Oh, that's actually that low pitched song. I think I took that from Andy's pack, and I just made it really low.
Yeah, what is it?
What do you say? Did you take happy? Yay, I win.
Okay, I'm just getting in control.
I'm recording this. Oh, that looks so painful. Okay, this is Roomba here. I have a new idea. Why don't we try spawning 2 opposing Super NJ Transit and roping both of them to the ragdoll and doing tug of war? That's an excellent idea. Let's just try not to run first. Oh, well, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, This ain't gonna end well. Oh, Mario Kart AI be like. Server's gonna die. You should probably warn people that it's their prepare your face. Oh, you're being pulled sideways. You're leaning. I'm being pulled sideways. I'm leaning. Oh no, not the curve. Server may or may not be in jeopardy right now, by the way. Server may or may not be in jeopardy. Okay, I'm going fast. Whoa. Oh, where am I going? Ooh. Ooh, we're going back. Let's go. The ragdoll is not happy about this. AKA me. What? It ended up on the branch line track for a second. Now it's spinning in circles. What the heck? Where's the other one? It's near Dragon's. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, thank goodness. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Go. I am the fastest. Oh, they routed the bank. Don't get caught on the house again. No. Yes. Okay, we're going. They're heading towards each other. Red is struggling. Blue is already past the second curve. Blue's gonna hit yellow. Yeah, yellow and red hit green. We made it all the way around. Yeah, I'm stuck on a wall. stuck on a different wall. And now I'm coming towards you. Hi. Hi. Bye. Oh, the gang's all here. Let's let this play out for a bit. How fast did FBD detect the derailment then? 40. 40! Only 40? Oh, ooh, whoa, I wish they didn't get the switch boxes here. Yeah. Alright, let's do it.
Don't do it,
No,
Tom.
don't do
You
it.
have a
You
lot
have so much to live for.
Wait.
You have so much to live for.
Oh no, Tom.
Oh no, Tom. No.
No.
Tom and his scream
Tom
of
and
death.
his scream of death.
And other stories.
Hey, how about we do it but with
Tom
the entire
commits
train
die
being
and other
thrown off
stories.
using a derail. Okay, is he gonna
get stuck in midair while falling?
No, unfortunately.
No, unfortunately, he didn't.
Okay, but seriously though, who wants to make a derail to throw trains off of the bridge and then drive trains?
I do.
Wait, which one of you is the one that I caught trying to put cat ears on a 1400? We don't talk about that. Oh no! Tom, get out of the Tom, don't do it! Well, at least Tomette is safe.
Stuck in midair.
You're not safe
anymore.
Oh, the face fell
Oh, the face fell off.
there
It's Thomas.
Wait, what if we attempted to destroy the drawbridge with ACF weapons?
It's not through yet. Wait for people to vote.
Die, Prince, die!
Drawbridge seems pretty good now.
I think we're succeeding
in destroying it.
Oh no,
Thomas Bridge jumped toy sales Mattel Marketing 2018.
Oh
okay.
no.
Unfortunately. Yeah. What the hell, Thomas? How are you not dead?
Thomas, you can't die.
What? No, what? Yes! Yes, we did! Yes, we did! We destroyed the drawbridge! We did it! Yeah! Oh my god! Oh my god! We actually did it! Yes!
You guys better fucking clean this shit.
Yeah!
More!
Yay!
I wonder what will happen if I press one of these
Did
missiles.
you actually manage to destroy the fucking bridge?
Yeah, we did!
The part of the bridge that has the collisions has been destroyed.
Trains can no
longer cross the drawbridge.
Oh, you broke
But
the bridge.
here's my question. How the
Whatever.
fuck did you manage to goddamn fucking do that? How?
With
It is a lot of ACF.
Also,
Where'd
Next target is tugboat. Go.
Easy.
let's destroy the tugboat! Thomas
is about to drive across the bridge and fail.
Yes!
Yes!
We did it!
Managed to just- if you
Okay, here it comes.
many kilometers per hour can that do?
No, get that thing out of the way! Yay! Please stop your train, I need it! Yeah!
On a dime too.
Very
It
realistic.
stops on a dime too.
I appreciate the attention to detail. Where are you going? Hi. And bye. Hi and bye. Wow, that's a lot of smoke. Oh no no no! Oh no! Oh wow, I didn't derail. I didn't derail. God damn it. Yeah, because it was frozen. Best. Lose. Oh, just you wait. Gotta get back on the outer loop. Why? Go, bigger boy, go! Now he's on the outer loop. Oh. You're like a baby. Watch this. Wow, a twofer! Yeah! Die, Derp Dave, die. Your moments are numbered. Oh. Can we not spawn entire trains inside of me? This is what TS200 was made for. Actually... Hold down X. Actually, TS200 was made explicitly because of a power outage. Uh-oh. And it's raining. You know what that means? Unplugging spree!
Come on, we're almost before Salty finds out.
Oh my god, this is the fastest I've ever seen a train moving in Rockford. Like a non-joke train, I mean.
The fucking Excella was
It's
so
not high-speed expression. Oh,
and
okay,
he's
there
dead.
we go.
Will he fall in the lava? Yes or no?
Okay,
No.
we still gotta get there.
By stop, I mean make sure your passengers don't turn into fucking red mist when they hit the station.
Don't worry, I know how to
Handbrake,
stop.
handbrake, handbrake!
Fuck everybody.
Oh, what? What?
How is it still on the fucking...
How? How did it just bounce?
Listen, go. You wanna know what happened? Fucking in those coach, everybody at that fucking moment turned into a fucking ketchup packet. They became a ketchup packet.
Were he?
Oh my god, I can see the crazy slack action in the train.